Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Rose. I always forget which corner. And in this video, we're gonna open a little box I got from Kek Jekkie. You may have heard me mention Kek Jekkie before. They're actually the first, I think, plant shop that I found that sold really cool plants, really rare, hard to get, uncommon aroids. I will link their shop in the description below. And while you're there, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. I would really appreciate it. They also sell a lot of normal houseplants. So they sent me this parcel with quite possibly one of my wishlist plants inside. And wishlist doesn't, for me at least, doesn't have to mean rare, aroid, expensive, whatever. I have wishlist plants that are affordable and cheap. I just haven't been able to buy them yet or haven't found them yet. So don't get your hopes up. Let's check it out. This is what it looks like. And there's a card here. I've actually filmed several videos at Kek Jekkie when they had all the cool plants in stock in their beautiful space in Delft. So if you want to check those out, you can find them, literally that way. Yeah, you can find them here. Oh, such a pretty card. Philodendron gloriosum. Oh! I shouldn't have read the card because now I know what's inside. It's much more fun to have it as a surprise, but I couldn't help myself. Very lovely message from Thijs and Nina, the two owners, which I actually interview them in one of the videos, so check that out here. I think it's nice to have a face with a name for web shops. This is very well packaged. If you see this, they use the stick to not crush the plant, but they also tape the plants into a corner of the box. So they're not going anywhere even without the paper. So that's great. Now hopefully I can get them out. Let's start with the smallest plant. Can you even see me with this bright sunlight? Maybe I should put the shades down. Also for the plants, of course. Hopefully that is a little bit better. Lots of tape on this. Oh! I picked the right one to open first. So cute! Oh my gosh. This, hold on. I cannot even get it out. Let me go. This is Selaginella uncinata. It's a fern type that I saw the first time when I was at the Botanic Gardens. You can check that out here. I put it on my wish list back then because this is like, I think it's called the rainbow fern. When it's happy, it can go red and yellow and not just blue and green, but all different colors. It's probably gonna live in a terrarium. I might actually build an actual planted terrarium specifically for this plant because it is so beautiful. I want it to stay happy for me. No, so nice. All right. It looks very different from what I thought. I will do close-ups of these plants at the end of the video, by the way. So, soil. Stick around for that if you want to see more. Oh, wow. It's growing all the way out of the pot. This is a Begonia schulzei. I've never heard of that before. And he's saying it should live in a terrarium with high humidity, which I've got, so that's good. I might even pot them up together. Maybe that's nice. And I've never seen a begonia with this shape of leaves before. When I think begonia, I always think either the Rex leaves or like the maculata style leaves. I would have never guessed this is a begonia. There is one flower which kind of gives it away. It is tiny. Oh, it's adorable. So this big one is, ta-da! Do you recognize that? Oh, and it's got a beautiful new leaf too. This is a Philodendron Tortum. Hold on. This is the messiest unboxing I've done because I cannot find the tape. All the tape. So much tape. Ah, there we go. Wow. This is actually beautiful. I never really felt the need to buy one of these when I saw them in garden centers. I don't know why. Sometimes plants don't speak to me, but this one is very pretty. And I actually like it now. Look at that. That's such a cool shape, no? And it grows very weird, like if you see that new leaf unfurling, it looks like it's a very fitting Halloween plant, I would say. Yeah, very cool. I would love to hear in the comments which one of these plants you like the most. They're very, very different plants, all different genuses or species, or I always mess up the order of those. Sorry about that. If you have any tips for me to care for any of these, I think the Philodendron I'll be fine with, but these two, Begonia and the Selaginella, I don't know what I'm doing. Help me out. There's this cute Begonia. It looks so different from what I'm used to. Oh, and there are the flowers. Can we see those? Look how cute. So small. Sorry for the shaking. I'm holding it up. And there's another flower there. Flower bud. It seems to be quite easy to propagate because look, this I think was sitting on soil and is already rooting. So I'll try and get some cuttings to my friends, because I am kind of famous for killing begonias. So we want to spread our chances of survival on this one. Micah, get ready. Oh, and a little baby leaf. That is very cute. Then there's this Tortum. Hold on, I need to zoom out to show you. There we go. My arm looks very long now. This, I am so impressed by. To be honest, when I saw this in the shops, I didn't get it, but now that I have it here, it is stunning. It's beautiful. And that new leaf coming out, it's so creepy and adorable and funky looking. Very, very nice. I love this shape. It somehow reminds me of like Art Nouveau, Jugendstil, if any of you get what that means. It's an art period, a style period that my mom loves. And yeah, it looks very, very pretty. Much more pretty than I ever expected. So thank you for showing me the beauty of this plant. Of course, I had to save this one for last because it's on my wish list. If you haven't seen my wish list video, check it out over there. It's from last year, December, I think. And this was on it. You can kind of see the different colors of blue and green in there, but not yet the ones that are red and yellow and orange. So I'm going to try and create that, and then I'll do an update video for you so you can see what it can look like. And don't forget to check out that Botanic Garden video so you can see, because they, of course, are very good at growing it. It's quite long too, so hoping that this will grow nice and big and I can share it with my friends. Thank you so much, Thijs and Nina, for sending me these plants. I'm so excited, and I'm going to be making a video soon on how to make a terrarium or something, because I'm gonna figure it out as I go, as I do with most things. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. I can't show you because I'm holding plants, but you know what a thumbs up looks like. And if you haven't yet, please subscribe to my channel. It would be super helpful. And I will see you in the next video. Thank you so much. Bye!